How to fix Huobi app not working or loading. First of all, open the app on your device. If the app is not loading or not working properly, there are a few simple steps you can try to fix the issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can prevent the app from loading correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, clear the cache of the Huobi app. Go to your device settings, then select Apps or App Management and tap on App List. Find the Huobi app, tap on Storage and Cache, and then select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction and can help improve performance. If the problem persists, restart the app or restart your device. Sometimes a fresh start can fix minor glitches and improve app performance. Make sure your Huobi app is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store, search for Huobi or SDX and tap Update if available. Running an outdated version can lead to bugs and loading issues. If none of these steps work, you can reinstall the app. Uninstall the Huobi app from your device, then download and install it again from the Play Store. This ensures a fresh installation and can solve persistent problems. Now you know how to fix Huobi app not working or loading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.